Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. We will be talking about in this video, will the second wave of coronavirus COVID-19 derail India's economy? The answer is yes to a certain extent. Let me spell out, it won't be parallel to the crash like 2020, but definitely it is going to influence in the coming months, and especially till the 26th of May, and then between 14 September to 20th November 2021. So there will be two time frames when the economy could be hit, but especially in the Dasha of Moon Saturn, which is going to be there till 10th of July. Moon and Saturn are forming a Punarvyu Yoga and a Vish Yoga in the third house, and it is activated by both Jupiter and Saturn. And the Pisces new moon chart of the 12th April 2021 is not very conducive to give very good results, especially because of Mars and Rahu in forming Angarak Yoga in the Lagna. Mars as the minister of the year, Mars as the king of the year, afflicted, and the surge in coronavirus. I have analyzed the coronavirus by several parameters, and I have found that till the 20th November 2021 we did not get much relief, and especially till the 26th May 2021 there will be rise in coronavirus, and it could adversely influence the sentiments of the people in the stock and financial markets, and definitely the stock and financial markets will take a beating. They may not be parallel to the 2020 crash. Definitely we may not call it a crash, but definitely the market will come down. I cannot say in terms of the numerical values because it's not good. People may speculate, and astrology does not say that one should encourage speculation, but I can definitely say that there will be a marked change in the stock and financial markets. We are at a level of about 15,000 in the Nifty, and it will definitely be influenced, and you will see it for yourself in the coming months, and especially till 2nd June 2021, and broadly speaking till 20th July 2021. I have given all the time frames. Let me read out the important parameters which are responsible for all this. Chaitra Pratipada Pisces new moon chart, most enigmatic, from 12th April 2021 to 2nd April 2022. The planetary positions as mentioned are most enigmatic. Mars activation of the sensitive arc in the sign Capricorn, great conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn, 6.2 degrees, 18.4 degrees of Jupiter and Venus, and 20 and 22 degrees of Cancer sign can be explosive. The surge in the coronavirus will adversely influence the economy of the country from the 25th April to 26th May 2021, and then 1st July to 7th July 2021 with magnitude. Angarak Yoga in the ascendant of the Pisces new moon chart, especially till the 10th July 2021, as mentioned already. Dasha of Moon Saturn forming a Vish Yoga and Punarvyu Yoga in the third house will be in operation till the 10th July 2021. The Dasha of Moon Mercury will be in operation, and both Moon and Mercury are placed in the 11th house, having aspect of Saturn, the 9th and the 10th Lord. After the 10th July will be good for recovery of economy. The manufacturing sector seems to improve slowly after that, after the 10th of July. The 12th Lord from Lagna is Mars, will be placed in the 12th from Moon from the 14th April to 2nd June 2021, and the 8th from Lagna Jupiter will be placed in the 8th from Moon in the Pisces new moon chart. Jupiter is also Yoga Lord of Vedriti, most malefic, and the Karna Lord is also malefic. And Mars transit in the second house, Gemini, with the minimum 19 Ashtakavarga Bindus is crucial from the 14th September to 2nd June 2021. Although Jupiter aspect may help, Jupiter may also aspect, since in the Kendra, may also give some measures for recovery and also expose some financial scams in the financial sector and especially in the banks. Veda between Mars and Saturn in the Rashi and Nakshatra Sangata Chakra, crucial parameter for the virus spread and hence the stock and financial markets as well. Saturn and Jupiter conjunction for the third time between 14th September and 20th November. The Jupiter and Saturn conjunction as per Bharit Samhita chapter 10 is a classical combination for effect on the economy. Jupiter in this state will be fallen, debilitated, retrograde state considered to be most enigmatic, and with retrograde Saturn. Jupiter is a planet for expansion and growth and will be in a most afflicted condition. It can take the markets in any direction, but my feeling is that it may also influence the stock and financial markets to some extent, but the dasha at that time will be Moon and Mercury will be better than what is the present dasha. The Jupiter-Venus conjunction at 18.4 degrees on the 12th February 2021 is a classical combination for bloodshed as per the mundane classic Mur Chitram and also authenticated by Shri K.N. Rao in the paper produced on the 4th October 2010 at the conference. The Mars activation of these sensitive arcs can prove to be explosive for coronavirus, wars and war-like situations, natural and unnatural calamities, earthquakes and disasters, which could in turn influence the financial markets of the country. In a nutshell, we can say the economy may be influenced to some extent only and not parallel to the 2020 crash. The basic issue will be the mismanagement of the second wave and surge, especially in the regions predicted as per Kurma Chakra and especially Maharashtra. Shortage of vaccines, surge in the cases beyond expectations when Mars goes in Gemini after the 14th April 2021 to 2nd June, and then as per the time frames mentioned in the article. Please read my n number of articles written on coronavirus and all are proving spot on. So this is all, friends, I wanted to say. Please read my disclaimer clause. I am not responsible for anybody investing or selling these stocks, and he will be doing at his own risk. And please make this point very clear. This is an astrological analysis and not my personal opinion. And if anybody is investing, is doing it at his own risk and fancy. So that's all, friends, I wanted to share. Have a nice day. Best of luck and thank you for listening to me.